Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to set up this Netgear wireless AC adapter, Wi-Fi adapter. I bought this from JB Hi-Fi. It cost me 49 bucks. Yeah, pretty good. But I'm gonna test it and how it works. Let's do it together. Yeah, just give me a sec. Alrighty, let's open it up. And there you go. So we have some of the paperwork. See, I mean, I have done it before, so I'm just gonna skip this thing here. So yeah, I'm just gonna skip this thing. Let's get back to business. So this is the thing we're gonna need. This thing. So the most important we should consider is we should, yeah, this is the kind of button we're gonna have to like press it whenever we are trying to discover the Wi-Fi ladder. Yeah, just make sure if you, probably I don't have to do it because I already did the setup. Oh, did I do it? No. I mean, let's see. I forgot. I might have. Let's see. I'm just gonna plug it to my PC down there somewhere. Yep. There we go. So I'll show you. Since I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi, nothing, no network connection. I don't have Ethernet cable, so I can't download right now. But I'll show you guys how you can download it later. I already got this installed on my PC. This is the one I got. If I zoom it closer, this is the G file, but I already unzipped it. So this is the file. I'm just gonna set up. Yes. Preparing for install. And yeah, there you go. This is, just follow the prompt. Bam, bam, bam. Alrighty, I guess this is installed. See, we can see it here. And let's browse the Wi-Fi. There we go. Something happened with my disk screen, but I'm not using it. I don't really care about that. You can choose this Wi-Fi from here, but I'm just gonna ignore that. And there we go. I think this is my network. So my Wi-Fi password was, I don't really remember, but let's try J. See, it's connected. So I'm already connected. Now I'm gonna show you. Let me get this on. Oh, I don't know what's gone wrong. Probably the power cable. There we go. Yeah. Let me refresh the site. So let me drag it to this screen so it'll be easy for you guys. So this is I downloaded from Netgear. .com. That was support and download. You'll be able to download it, or I'll put the link on the description. Alright, cheers guys, thank you. Comment down if you need any help, I'll be happy to help. Thanks. Cheers, bye.